Hello everyone. So as many of you have been requesting lately, let me give you a quick and very thorough look at the FixShops platform. So this is the provider dashboard. Here you will be able to see your total booking, rating and status. Of course, you can click on the public store button right here and you will be redirected to your public profile that users will see. And on the storefront section, you will be able to configure your operating hours, your identity. You can change your logo of your business, add numbers, and you can add your service areas and so on. You can add more, of course. And here under the service, you can create your services. For example, I have carefully included all those sample services that I'm offering right now. And under booking section, you will be able to see your appointments. So basically, whenever someone has gone ahead and booked a service, they have booked a service, and then you will be able to either approve or reject them, giving you full control over the process. Now, let's take a moment to quickly see how a buyer will see. Let me quickly log out and then log back in again. So I'm going to just use these specific credentials right now to log into the system. And once we are successfully logged in, you will be able to see all of your current bookings right here. On this screen, you can see my repairs menu, and from here, you can easily filter through all of the different stuff you have available. Um, the specific services that you took. And you can see I have just canceled one here, and you can clearly see it says the cancel status here. And yeah, of course. You can see the links, you can visit the shop and so on, and you can even change your accounts if you want. And now let's go on to the marketplace section. Here you will see a list of basically shops that are listed. So you can select them by categories if you want. Let's click on one. When you click on one, you will see the same data that you have inserted as the provider. You will see them here. You will see the shop location, opening hours, and your services. And if someone click on the service, they will be able to book it. Let's, for example, here I'm clicking on the gaming laptop service. So then you select your date, you click confirm, and it will ask you your date. You click on complete booking and you are done. Now you have successfully booked a service, which is great news. And as you can see, we have some pages here for you to explore. And yeah, that's it for now. The platform is very, very simple. People get to list their platform. And oh, and let me quickly show you the admin panel. Here is the admin. So basically, you can change your platform. You can set the subscription plan as well. Thank you.